Especially with your petting of the humans.
You got a hat? Oh, are you coming to eat me? Are you coming to eat me? No, I was just getting a video of your cool hat. And this is Robbie's when he wants to eat something face. Hat, put your hat on.
He has to get it right side up.
Oh, okay, sorry. So I hand it to him like this?
Yes.
Robbie. Hi. No, it's gonna be another video with me laughing ridiculously. He's got his little fat belly out today.
So cute!
Hey, over here! Hey,
And dunk it.
Oh, now he's going from a dog dish bowl.
Hey, Trouble.
What you going after, Trouble? That's your sailor's hat. Yeah, see. Nope, you're too big.
Robbie. Robbie. Wait, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
He tried to move his hand a little bit.
Well,